Oh wow. Hey, it's why this video is gonna be different. I'll be doing the voiceover for my boyfriend's unboxing video of the Logitech K380 keyboard, as well as the Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. Think of this as a collaboration of sorts. We're supposed to be shooting it together, but we haven't seen each other for months due to lockdown. So this is the best we can do for now. What he's unpacking here is the Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. From the looks of it, he looks super satisfied with the packaging. It was very much secured in bubble wrap and the box didn't get deformed. He actually ordered this on September 5, 2020 from Shopee. And he couldn't wait for the 99 sale. Oh god, he's opening it so dangerously. When you're using a Swift knife, please do be careful and don't use it like this. Rule is to always direct the knife away from your body. And oh my god, it looks so sleek. I love how he's just throwing out the packaging. I bet he also won't read these manuals. Useless. Okay, this one might be helpful. And no, useless. So this is the Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. It's branded as a modern, slim, and silent mouse. We'll see later if... Oh, okay, there it is. Oh wow, it sounds so well actually. And it already comes with a battery. And this one's the USB receiver, but it can also be connected to any device through Bluetooth. So far, it's looking pretty good. It really does look sleek and modern. There are 3 colors to choose from: off-white, graphite, and rose pink. This one's the graphite one, and I really love how the light reflects on it. Now let's move on to the keyboard. Jace also ordered this on September 5. By the way, I'll be leaving the links to the shops where he got these from in the description box down below. And again, he's really opening it so carelessly. If he was more careless, he could have punctured the box or even hurt himself. I'm getting so anxious with how he's opening it, honestly. I was actually planning to buy the same keyboard and mouse for myself, either in white or in pink. But unlike my boyfriend and probably you, I have quite good self-control when it comes to online shopping, and I don't really buy things that I don't need. I mean, I don't have an iPad or tablet anyway, and I work perfectly fine with the built-in keyboard and trackpad on my laptop. But this is definitely a good buy if you're needing a keyboard. It only costs less than 2,000 pesos and it's so compact and so cute, which is so awesome if you move around from place to place a lot. And oh gosh, I really can't watch how he's opening the box. So let's just skip that. And yes, finally we can see the actual product. I can tell from the video that he's really excited about it. He waited a week before he received this, and it was probably one of the longest weeks in his life. He kept refreshing the Shopee app for new updates every hour. I'm not even kidding. And it comes with, I'm sure that's a spare battery, right? What the? I can't believe he also threw that one. And man, it looks super cool. The more I watch this, the more I'm getting tempted to get one for myself as well. And the sound of the keys is also so amazing. It's not too noisy, but it also has that soothing keyboard sound. So yes, Jayson approves. So I'm happy as well that he's able to enjoy it. Now let's move on to the clips of him testing it out. So here's the Logitech K380 keyboard when paired with a laptop. I really love the size of this. It's great for portability. You can just bring it wherever you go. As for the mouse, you can connect it to one device via Bluetooth and to another through the USB receiver. It's actually super easy to use and it connects automatically and smoothly to any compatible device. As for the keyboard, it's a multi-device keyboard and it can connect to up to 3 different devices, like a computer, tablet, and even smartphone. So you can just set up these devices on those yellow buttons, and it also connects smoothly via Bluetooth. I'm so happy with your purchase as well. Definitely, it might take time to adjust when you're using a new keyboard, as you can tell from Jay's. He's still working his way with it, but I really love how silent it sounds. And the mouse is also very responsive as well. The keyboard is super perfect for multitaskers because you can easily switch from one device to another. It connects smoothly to a smartphone as well, so whenever you're working on a laptop or desktop and you get a message, you can just use the keyboard by a push of a button. I also really love the sleek, minimalist, and quite quirky design of it. The circular keys veer away from the traditional square ones, which makes it look so interesting and eye-catching. Of course, it can also be used on an iPad or a tablet. I really love these products, honestly. They're super perfect for people who are always on the go because of its compact design and ability to connect to many devices at once. I'm really thinking if I should get one for myself as well. What do you think? But I think the harder question is, which color should I get if I'm ever gonna get one? Should I get the white or the rose pink? Anyways, this is the end of the video. If you like this kind of content, please do hit the thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which color of Logitech keyboard and mouse you're eyeing.